Aloha all, Jackie here. Thanks for joining me today in creating a card using Stampin' Up's photopolymer stamp set, Beautiful Butterflies. We're also using the nested essential dies. We're using these two dies here. We're using Designer Series paper, Floral Impressions, number 165603. And these are the prints. Beautiful, beautiful paper. This piece here is cut 2 3/4 by 5 1/4. This cut 1 inch by 5 1/4. That's the opposite side. This here is cut 2 inches by 4 1/4. This was a scrap to cut this out. This here is cut 7 1/4 by 5 1/2, scored at 4 1/4. And let's go ahead and burnish that fold there. This is actually gonna go here like this. Oh, and I missed cutting another white piece. Let me go ahead and cut that white piece to go inside. So I cut that other white piece at 2 3/4 by 5 1/4. And then let's go ahead and die cut these pieces. Did that, and we're gonna go ahead and stamp Time to Celebrate in a pecan pie. Oh, did I say that this was pecan pie? Okay, let's go ahead and put our card together. We're gonna go ahead and mount or attach this to this. And this is actually gonna go down here. Love that wiggle room time. Did you see that, or am I too low? And then this is gonna go inside here. Just like that. And this is going on here. Just like that. Oh, is this a little crooked? No, it's okay. That's just for writing. And then this we're gonna mount here, just like this. So we're only gonna put glue on this side, on the top. I'm not gonna pop it up. It's like a fun fold, yeah? Just like that. Then we'll get some rhinestones. Just to give it a little bling. where should we put the other one? There? No, I don't like it there. Like maybe right there. Do you guys get a hard time with that too? Like where to put the rhinestones? And I always like to make a triangle. But there we have it, guys. What do you think? You like that? And thanks again for joining me today to order Stampin' Up! Products. Please visit my online store. The website is linked in the description of this video. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Come back again soon. Bye!